Hey guys, it's me Aditya and I'm back again with a new video. And as you can see, that's a Nike Adapt BB version 2.0. So what are we waiting for? Let's just unbox it. Okay, let me get the hands on. Alright, done. Oh, look at the box. Are you guys excited to open this up? It's a really big and massive box. Nike Adapt BB 2.0 year 2020. Alright, let's just unbox it. So you have two hinges on the corner. You just open it up like this and woohoo! There you have it. That's my invoice. And let's just see the massive beast. Woo! Amazing. Simply amazing. Wow. Look at the finishing of the shoe. It's seriously lightweight. I guess that's one of the portions where the sensors are located. Yeah, really amazing. I could say. I'll take the other pair out as well. This one is called left. This one, oh sorry, this one is left and that one is right. My bad. And I guess that's how you turn on. They're good to go. So if you guys don't know about these shoes are self-lacing. That means as soon as you put your feet inside the shoe, I will give you the demo, they just self-lace, and you can just, from your phone, you can say, Siri, you can tighten up my shoe, you can loosen up my shoe if you're busy playing. Alright, what's inside the box? Let's just have a look. Just the charger and the cable. For what? Not the shoe, right? So you need, there is a charging base for the shoe, right? Yeah. And that's the charger where you just place your shoe and they charge. Alright. I'll give you guys a demo of how to wear these shoes. Let me just sit down and wear the shoes for you. Alright. I'll take off the plastic sock which Nike gives you. And I can just insert my feet there. I can try to do the same way for the other shoe and place my feet there as well. So that's the sound of them stretching and tightening. They're all good to go. Alright, so this shows that the right is tightened up and left is not. So I'll just tighten the left up as well. And as you can see, the left is tightening now. So you can just tighten up to the same level as the right. And there you have it. They're all set. If you want to loosen up the shoe, so you can loosen it up by, and they will loosen up. There are heaps of control inside the app where you can even change the color. You can have some other features like telling Siri of what to do, and you can set specific tightening of your shoe based on game mode, and if you want to reset them and add another mode. Heaps of features, so just have a look at them, and if you guys have any questions, just push me comment and I'll reply you back and let me know how they look. They're really good. I'll go outside today and let you know how they are. Thanks guys. See ya.